Hey, Jessie. I have a little snack from Taiwan that I want you to try. You want to sample it?
Sure.
Here's the bag.
All right.
Yeah, take one and then... What do you think?
It's crunchy.
What's the flavor for this thing?
I taste some type of cheese.
Cheese? Oh, yeah, you're right. It's kind of similar to Pirate's Booty. This is Taiwanese Pirate's Booty.
Okay.
But give you a hint. A kind of a spice?
Spicy.
Yeah, have one more. Have one more.
All right, let's try it again.
Yeah. This is good, huh?
Yeah, it's tasty.
What do you think? Oh, I give you another hint.
Okay.
Asian spice.
Asian spice. Is it Fivespice?
Hey, you got it! Yay! Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Beautifully. What are you cooking today? Today I have Chef Jessie here. Hey,
Hi. Thank you for having me. I'm fantastic.
Thank you so much for being here. So you just tried my Taiwanese snack, right? What do you think?
That was delicious. A perfect snack. I could eat that in the middle of the day watching TV. I wouldn't even realize I ate the whole bag. So, delicious.
Have it ever occurred to you to use like Fivespice to create any like pastry, dessert, you know?
Absolutely. I remember I used Chinese Fivespice for the first time when I was in culinary school, and I remembered that flavor. That was over 10 years ago, and I've used it periodically over time. So I've been able to create many different things using that wonderful Fivespice
Wonderful.
powder.
So today, what are you making with us?
Today we're going to make some Chinese Fivespice apple cider donuts.
Oh, I'm so excited. Let's do it.
First, before we get started making the apple cider donut batter, we need to cook and reduce the apple cider from 3 cups to 2/3 cup. Doing this will create a more intense apple cider flavor and make a more flavorful donut.
That sounds good. How much heat do you think we should use when we cook our apple cider?
Great question. So to prevent burning your pan and creating a hefty cleanup, you should have the heat at about a medium-low heat, and stir every so often and adjust the heat as needed if you see any burn spots on your pan.
Sounds great.
Oh my gosh, Melissa. Melissa,
Oh, what happened, Jessie?
I've been here forever trying to reduce this cider. It's taking so long.
Wow, it really took you 50 years?
Just about. What, 49?
Okay, that's wonderful. So we can finally make our donut?
We are ready to do it. Let's do it.
Amazing.
Now that the cider has cooled and is ready to be incorporated into the batter, let's start mixing. So we're going to combine all the wet ingredients first. The apple cider, the eggs, butter, sugar, brown sugar, and the vanilla extract into a bowl together, and we're going to whisk them until combined.
Now it's time to combine all the dry ingredients. Flour, baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon. I actually got a very special cinnamon from New York. It's from a shop called La Bois,
Ooh.
and I want you to smell it.
Oh, that's very smoky.
Yeah,
Very
this
good.
is their number 18.
Awesome.
Smoked cinnamon. I like to bring some savory flavor
Absolutely.
to
Very
our
fancy.
dessert. Yeah.
Fancy.
Challenge the boundary between sweet and savory. And now we just need to mix all the dry ingredient, and then we can add dry ingredient to the wet ingredient and fold the batter.
Next, now that your batter is prepared, let's get ready to bake them. First, you're going to spray the molds with a non-stick pan spray so the donuts do not stick when they bake. Second, you're going to place the batter into a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can use a Ziploc bag and just cut a hole out of the corner. If you don't have either of those or are not comfortable using those, you can easily spoon the batter in with a large metal spoon and just fill the mold half the way. Next, now that your mold is full and ready to be baked, we're going to prepare them for the oven. You're going to set them into a preheated 350-degree oven for approximately 12 to 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Depending on the type of oven that you use, it may take a little longer or a little less, but generally the same principle applies until the toothpick comes out clean.
It's time to make our Fivespice sugar. This one's really simple. You just need to add the sugar and some Fivespice powder. Mix them, all set. Jesse, I'm hungry. Let's check if our donuts are ready.
All right, let's do it.
Yay.
I'm gonna put on my handy dandy oven mitts
Perfect.
so I don't burn myself.
This color is perfect for fall.
Oh wow.
Oh, look at
These look done to
this.
me. Can you smell that? Awesome. Awesome. All right, so we're gonna let these cool for 5 minutes, just so we don't burn our hands when we turn them over, and let them cool the rest of the way.
Sounds like a plan.
So now that the donuts have cooled for 5 minutes, we're going to flip them over. All right, Melissa, you can try and take it off.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yummy.
Yeah. Oh. You want to
One
try
little
this?
straggler.
Hey.
All right.
The donut is baked and the Fivespice sugar is ready. Now we are going to coat the donut with delicious Fivespice sugar. It's very important that you make sure that the sugar coat your entire donut, so got a lot of deliciousness in one donut. Jesse, I have a question for you.
Okay.
Do you know why the baker stopped baking donuts?
I do not know.
Because he is tired of the whole business.
Oh my goodness. You're so funny.
Would you ever be tired of the whole business?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Let's try your donut and see.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right.
Oh. Oh. This is so delicious.
All right. So good. That smoky cinnamon really comes through. The Fivespice powder on the outside. Really, really delicious.
Wow.
It's light, airy, and delicious and tender.
This is light and fluffy. And
Yeah.
you know what I love the most about this donut?
What's that?
It's not too sweet.
Absolutely.
You know,
I agree.
and it's complex.
Right.
Wow, and it's actually quite easy for you to replicate at home.
Absolutely. You can do this too.
Try this recipe. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for choosing Cooking Beautifully, where memories are made.